Hello and welcome to this DroidScript quick tip. Today I'm going to show you how to use contextual help so you can easily add code you might not remember the syntax to. So let's, for example, we want to add a button to our little app here. So if we create a reference to it, if you just type in the app and then the dot, you'll see a list of options appear to you. Now if you just start typing something you want, so for example button, you'll see all the options come up. So if we want to add a button, for example, we see all of the options here available to us. Now on the far right of this you'll see a little green question mark, and this works for all of the app dot methods, and if you click it or tap it, it'll take you on the right hand panel here, it'll take you to the reference documentation for that object and for the method. So for example add button, it shows you so here, and we can just either copy that and change the values, or if you go to create button you'll see the full documentation, and in the full documentation you have all the examples, which is great because you can just copy paste some of these, so it's really quite neat. And you can also run these to see what it is you want to do. So if you want that, all you need to do is just copy the code into your code, make sure you've got the callback function running, and there we go. And if you run your own code, bring up the thing, you can see added to there. So that is how to use contextual help